Alright, today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D still text effect on a still background. So let's get started. I've got my canvas ready here, and the first thing I'm going to do is add a gradient background. I'll grab the rectangle tool and drag to draw a full background. Then I'll select the fill tool and drag the gradient from the center out to the edge. Up in the context toolbar, I'll change the type to radial. Then I'll click on the first color stop and set it to light gray, and change the second one to a darker gray. Next, I'll go to the bottom of the Layers panel, click Filters, and choose Add Noise. In the pop-up window, I'll set the intensity to 100%, then close it. After that, I'll go back to Filters and choose Motion Blur. I'll increase the radius to the maximum value. If you notice these lighter gray edges, just check Preserve Alpha to fix that. Now let's drag the Motion Blur filter into the background layer. Alright, now I'll grab the Artistic Text tool and type Still. I'll change the font, set the text alignment to center, then I'll grab the Move tool, scale it up a bit, and position it in the center. Now I'll press Enter to open the Move/Duplicate panel. I'll set the horizontal value to -1 pixel and the vertical value to -1 pixel. Then I'll check Duplicate, set the number of copies to 20, and click OK. Next, I'll select the duplicated layers, except the original one. Then I'll go to the Boolean operations and click Add to merge them into a single layer. You'll notice it becomes transparent, so let's fix that. I'll go to the color settings, switch to gradient, and set the first color stop to gray. I'll copy the hex code, apply it to the second stop, then add another stop at 50%, and paste the same code there. Now I'll add another stop at 25% and make it slightly darker. I'll copy the hex code, add another stop at 75%, and paste the same darker color hex code there. This creates a metallic look. Next, I'll go to the bottom of the Layers panel, click Layer Effects, and turn on Outer Shadow. I'll set the opacity to 70%, radius to 20 pixel, offset to 10 pixel, and intensity to 30%. Then close it. Now we have a shadow. I'll rename this layer to Dimension and rename the original text layer to Text. With the text layer selected, I'll change its color to gray, then press Ctrl J to duplicate it. I'll rename the duplicated layer to Texture. Then I'll go to Filters, Add Noise, and set the intensity to 100%. After that, I'll go to Filters, select Motion Blur, then I'll set the radius to 30 pixel, check Preserve Alpha. Now I'll drag the Motion Blur filter into the texture layer. Expand the texture layer, move the Motion Blur filter on top of the noise filter, and close it. Now I'll drag the texture layer inside the text layer. Then I'll select the text layer, open Layer Effects, and enable Bevel/Emboss. I'll change the type to Inner, set the radius to 1 pixel, unlock the aspect ratio, change the depth to 20 pixel, and leave Soften at 0. Under Shadow, I'll change the color to dark gray. Then click Close. It already looks pretty good, but let's enhance it a bit more. I'll go to Filters and add Lighting. I can adjust the size and tweak the settings until it looks right. Or I can make the whole medal look darker. I'll change the background to a darker gray, adjust the text to a darker gray as well, and darken the dimension layer too. And that's it. Our 3D still text effect is done. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!